Hi. Today, let's just do something easy. How about let's do a electron configuration. Okay. So to do an electron configuration, you need to know what element you're dealing with, and I just sort of randomly pick sodium. So here's what I know. I know that sodium has 11 protons, and since this is a neutral atom of sodium, he would also have 11 electrons. Okay, so I have to keep track of 11 electrons. Now, the smallest orbital is always going to be your 1s, and it fits 2. So every time you do an electron configuration, it always starts 1s2. Okay? Unless you're doing hydrogen, then it's just going to be 1s1. So 1s2. And so then 2s2. So right now I've taken care of 4 electrons. 2 and 2 is 4. So now that I'm done with 2s, I move across, and you would be at the spot of number 5 on the periodic table. Okay, that would be boron. And then you would count over from boron to neon. All right, and that would be your 2p orbital, 2p6. And so I'm almost done. This hasn't really been that hard at all. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2 and 2 is 4, and 6 is 10. I got one more. And then when we look for sodium, oh my gosh, he's on that third row. He's in the first column. And so 3s1. Okay, so that is your electron configuration for sodium. Now, if I want to do the orbital notation, I'll show you how to do that. You just write 1s2, which is your first orbital, and then you put in the electrons. And you do an up and a down. And then 2s2, up, down. Okay? 2p6. Now I'm going to show you 2p6 because that's going to look a little different here. So 2p6 is 1, 2, 3. Okay? And if you count across that p region on the periodic table, you're going to count 6 elements. So watch how I'm going to fill this in. So you do the first one, 1. Now, the second one doesn't go here. It goes here. You go single, 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 like that. And then double, double, double. And that fills in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Singles first, and then you double them up. Okay? The way I have people remember that is if you're moving into a new house and you don't have to share a bedroom with a sibling, you probably won't. So my last one is 3s1. Oh, that looks a little sloppy. I'm going to make that look better. Okay. So 3s1, and then, boom. I just put it there. Doesn't matter if it's pointing up or down. But what you don't want to do is just sort of by rote fill in another electron there, because that wouldn't be sodium, that would be magnesium. That's one of the main problems that people make when they're doing the orbital notation, is they'll just for some reason always fill out the last suborbital there. And if you have 11, which I do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to count this correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't put the other one. You don't have 12. You only have 11 because sodium has 11 electrons. All right, good talk. And thanks for not letting me get away with being sloppy.